How to hide last seen on WhatsApp? Well, let me show you how it's done. So first up, you open WhatsApp as usual, and over here on the top right corner you can see there are these three dots. You click on them, and once you're here, you go to settings. Once you go to settings, you can see there is this thing called account on the top with the key symbol. You click on account, and here you go to privacy. And in privacy you have a bunch of options, but since it is last seen that we want to append, we click on last seen, and here there are three major options, or three only options, wherein there is everybody, my contacts, or nobody. If you click on everybody, whoever you have previously messaged to or currently are messaging to, they will be able to see your status or where or last time you have checked in or seen WhatsApp. But if you don't want that and want a little bit more privacy, you can click on my contacts, where only the contacts that you have saved will be able to see your last seen status. But if you want to stay stealthy and hidden, all you have to do is click on nobody, and once you click on nobody will be able to see the last time you have checked into WhatsApp. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next video we should make. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.